Check, check. Hello? Do we sound okay now? Hello? Are we live? Let's see if we're live again. That was weird. Yep, you sound good. Check, 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 check. Alright, cool. That was weird. Computer just shut down, so I don't know what the heck happened, but we live, baby! Alright, watch that SPY. So here comes that bear flag. So we might, if we retest this, 455.5s, we're going down. There's literally no news on SPY as to what the hell's happening, so I might just see if I can bag these and hold them. Strange. Very, very strange. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. It's a little distracting. Let's get that there. There we go. Do 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 do. Hoping for a nice bump on SPY. I might have to sell as I'm waiting for a work meeting though. Oh yeah, those work meetings. I feel you. Yeah, so careful with that SPY. If it's it is a day trade. It's already down now, so we're down 1% or so. Like I said, we need to hold this 456 level and then bounce strong. If we can't get out of here, not going to be a good look. Probably willing to risk like 10 to 15% on this. Looks like momentum is just stair-stepping down here, so. We're tumbling down again. We're tumbling down. I don't know how I feel about that. Do, 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 do. Dude, there's literally no news on anything in the market. Aren't the Feds talking about something on November 3rd too? Yeah, I think so. Let's check out the economic calendar. That's what we should have done before even getting the SPY calls. So there's probably a Fed meeting or something right now. Let's see, Tuesday. All right, so what do we got? 126, almost 130. So there's a bill auction. Yeah, really not much going on. The new home sales for September. It's all good. All right, hang tight, baby. I love you. Oh, everything came back on the features here. So, do 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 do. I have a strong feeling the market will bounce here. That's just my opinion, but I can't always be a prophet. Or can I? Or can I? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. All right, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna walk away. Right, we're just gonna take that coin, heads, tails. Looks good. I like the coin. We're gonna take the coin with us. Nah, we're gonna leave the coin right here. And I'm gonna get some lunch, and I'll be right back. When in doubt, just chill out. Are you planning to do these streams every day? Baby. Madonnax. I don't know if you know, but let me just throw this up for you, bro. Let me just throw this up. Monday through Friday, 9 to 4, baby. 9 to 4. We are here. Come join us. Bring a friend or more. Yeah, so to answer your question, we pretty much do this Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. Sometimes the stream cuts off and stuff, so I just hop back on. Follow me on Twitter at Kenny Trades Official. It's actually, I don't even think that's the handle. I don't think Twitter allows you to update the handle, so. But you could just type in Kenny Trades 52 and it should pop up. Here's the Twitter. Yeah, so Kenny Trades Official on Twitter is the name, but the handle is Kenny Trades 52. Here's the link to the YouTube if you want to refer a friend, share, family, etc. So yeah, you can follow me on Twitter. I post some plays here. Most of it's live. Like I said, not a financial advisor, and all trades are personal opinion. Disclosure down below. However, you can see that this is where you'll find some alerts about the stream. So if we're back up or if we're down, I do let you guys know here. So yeah, that's where we're about, baby. With that being said, I'll be right back. Market looks like it's probably going to bounce to the upside. I love you, and I'm going to get some food. Be back in like a couple minutes. Nothing too crazy. I want you guys to... Ooh, severe weather coming Thursday. That could ruin the Wi-Fi stream, but that's alright, baby. We're here. We're live. We're going to make a way to do it anyway. So yeah, so I'll be right back. I'm going to get some grub. I'm about to play some beats. Headphone users, beware. Music is coming in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I gave you an extra second. All right, here we go. About to spell. Already got notifications for Twitter. LOL. About to sell SPY in a minute though. Hey man, it's all your choice. No one's forcing you to do anything. These are just personal opinion. I'm just seeing what I see. And hey, everyone has a valid opinion. I don't think your opinion is wrong. I think selling SPY might be a really good idea. Who knows? Maybe I'm wrong. Which I very well could be. I'm human. We're all human here, baby. The thing is that we work together, right? Alright, with that being said, music, cue, 3, 2, 1, BRB.
monkey. 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 Monkey.
Hello, we are back. Wow, and just like that, spy contract's up a little bit. Not too much to get excited over, but a little bit. Do you remember? Shh. 'Cause I don't remember at all. Oh. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do do do. Bum 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 bum. Do you remember? Do do do. Do 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 do. The market hasn't made a choice yet, so we chill. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh, yeah. How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Oh. Are we getting a little bullish sentiment on SPY? Doo-doo. Doo-doo. Do 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 do. Bom bom bom. Do 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 do. Here we go. Here we go. Watch SPY coming back down, so I could see the premiums are getting close to rolling over to the negative, right? You can see the MACD here. It looks like getting an inflection bounce there. Very well could come back. And it's kind of snitching on the price action, so you could kind of see we saw this first, and now look at the price action falling a little bit. So MACD might roll over a bit here. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Appearance. Let's see what the price action volume is. Mostly a sell, so low volume on the day too. Now we're sitting at like 500,000 volume. So we're almost at break even at to the week. I think break even was where? Around $1,500 or less. -2. So yeah, around 1450 is break even. So we're kind of around there, at least on the week. Would like the rest of this week to be a bull run so I could raise my stop losses higher. Excuse me. Question: I have Neo having to hold 38 for it to continue going. Would you agree? Let's take a look at the Neapolitan. So I'm gonna take Roku out because that's like a long term. So here's the thing with Neo. Neo is moving on sympathy of Tesla. So you could actually, let's just put the charts together real quick. Whoops. Tesla. Okay. So you could see Neo is having the same price action as Tesla. In my personal opinion, I think the Neo call you have should be safe. I mean, Neo has been oversold for some time, and even on its own has, very little to, pretty low volume in 46 mil compared to the previous volume around here, which was around like 100 plus mil, right? 100 million plus in volume. So I think Neo, I think you should be all right. I think that you should hold 38s. You could already see the EMA is kind of crossing above here, which is a very bullish indication that this could continue to the upside. What I would do is I would also monitor Tesla, because the way the premiums move on Tesla can affect your Neo. All right, so definitely be cautious there, but that's kind of what you want to look at. Let me go on the daily chart here. All right, so you see you had a high of 42.67. You came back roughly to support here. You want to see the next candle kind of opening up in green. If people take profits, you probably will see Neo back to like 39.34 at the 9-day moving average, and then break below, kind of like this, and then a gap down. So just be cautious, because if the market gaps down, that could hurt you. If Tesla drops significantly, that can also hurt you. So what I think you're seeing though is a lot of people are taking profit from here. They're waiting for the end of the day, and then they're going to kind of go for the continuation move. You feel me? Dude, I used to play Neo like no other. I used to hit like 400. I got to get back into Neo. I used to print like 400% on the daily on that thing. Neo's a nasty stock. A lot of people don't all love, baby. Yeah, Neo's a nasty stock. A lot of people don't really like it, but when you see those cars, sheesh. Don't they look good? Don't they look good? Do do do. All right, baby. So our SPY calls are now moving 20% positive. So we just need to take out this little candle in the 15, and we'd be good. We'll be chilling. We're about to be in the money. What do we need? 456 and then 60, whatever, 54 cents. So 456.50, and we're in the money. Oh wow! Wait, I'm a liar. I don't know why I just had like dyslexia, but I for some reason thought we had the 456 calls. We have the 460s. So, but we're moving and grooving. I'll take it. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. For the record, don't ever have your buying power like this and be this much vested into the market because if the market drops like today, all your money is vested, right? And you can get clipped. So this is definitely not financial advice. I was hoping to kind of quick flip the Zoom and the Rokus, especially the Facebook. I was kind of getting greedy on the earnings play. We ended up hitting the reaction initially, that 344. I was kind of hoping Facebook would open up green because then we would have made like, I think like another a grand, maybe 1 to 2 G's off of that Facebook, but that didn't work. So that was the whole estimate there, and then we would have been chilling on Roku. We would have cleanly exited this. This would have never happened probably. Well, we probably would have got into it anyway. Same with Zoom, but we would have bailed on the snap. That was the train of thought or the process, but we didn't hit that, did we? Huh? Alright, looks like the market's kind of bouncing a little bit here. Dang, Democrats waive 3% surtax on millionaires? Chill. Ow! How the hell am I going to become a millionaire? Do 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 do. So yeah, if we get above 456 or 457, we go ride. We go be alright. We actually really need like 456.89 or something. I would take out like these candles or whatever. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Once again, baby, want to say thank you guys for being here. If you could do me a favor, just hide the chat, hit the like button, hit the sub button if you haven't already. We appreciate you for being here. We've been here quite a long time today. We got 2 hours left in the market, baby. Anything can happen. The market can go crazy. Microsoft earnings after the bell. So just be cautious. Looks like we're going to get that 457. Come on, give me the diddly. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do. Isn't it crazy to think that this stream is entirely free? Do do do. Just free game, baby. Free game. That's all we're doing here. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Where's the Robin Hood portfolio? So we're slowly recovering. Slowly. Slowly coming back to life. Did SPY double top on the 1 minute? I know you shouldn't trade SPY on the 1, but let's take a look. So technically, yeah, it looks like SPY could have double topped on the 1 minute, but like I said, I don't really I don't use the 1 minute just because I think you get a lot of fake outs there. So like for example, yes, this can be considered a double top, right? Now let's say that this comes back here and then you get like, or just let's say you thought that this is going to come back into the 456 and you short and you get a pop candle that just wicks you out, then your 1 minute's faked out, right? So that's why I usually do any kind of technical analysis on like 15 or 5 minutes because the data is loaded. This just looks like a massive bear flag, right? So this is what we're waiting for, is kind of like a rejection. We got the calls, right? So we kind of want to see this blow through here and then above 457.73. If we can like just completely go through that, reject, and get through the bottom here of 457, because we're trading underneath the bottom right here of today. It's open. If we can get above that, we'll be good. If we hang here like this and come back down, that's when you know this market is gonna get clipped today. Do 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 do. Did it? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. And actually, this isn't really a bear flag, right? Like this part. Sorry, I lied. This would be the bear flag. Like this would be your flagpole. This is the flag. And if it continued down, that would be the continuation pattern of the bear flag. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I still think we kind of ramp throughout the day. Just gotta give it time to work. Just gotta give it time. You gotta give it time. If the CMA crosses this way, then we will ramp today. Do, 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 do. Alright, you see how we're getting red here? Watch. This candle needs to be green. Volume bar needs to be green to continue through. Even if the volume is low, as long as these next couple candles are green to get through here, right? To get through this 457, then we'll be alright. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Let's get that magnet to roll. Let's take a look at a ticker. Apparently this stock just went crazy. Yeah, up 160% from 53 cents. See, people think that's crazy, right? What I like to see is like, alright, cool, you did that. You're probably going to come back down at the end of the day, then pump after hours. What's the 3-year chart looking like? Now that, to me, looks good. Right, look at that. Trendline resistance, or that's the trendline resistance sheet. Whoop, why wouldn't it let me click it? Please, alright. So we just broke that. So now you go into smaller time frames here, wait for the back test. So this would have been your back test and go. So you want to see this, if it can, dump into here and then go. I did this with Mark. I literally did this with Mark. We got an hour into the day, right? Alright. I got $92 in buying power. Let's try to see if we can make something out of nothing. Make something out of nothing. Do 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 do. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. So here's the back test. You can see right here, same thing. The run up comes down, pumps. Let me get the VWAP out of the way here. That's what you want to see. You want to see this bounce right here and then go. I don't usually trade stocks, but why not? Do 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 do. Whoa. Say 90. Oh wait, can I change this to like so I guess let's do 50 shares. Is it 50 shares? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Halted on a ooh, they're acquiring a pharmaceutical company for $11 million. What the hell? That's bread when that gets out on the news. If that pump was today, things gonna go crazy. Alright, so here's the 21-day EMA bounce. We're looking for a tap. There's the tap, right? 161. There's the tap on the 1 minute. Now, there's the green candle. Alright, check this out. We're just gonna buy at 174. See if we get filled. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh, did I not get filled on that? Oh, yeah, we go. 50 shares. So there's the 50 shares. There's the tap, and now it's going to bounce to 195, and it should push. Not even going to look at it now. Not even going to look at it now. Boom. There it is. Acquisitions. Not even gonna look at it. BRB. Do 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 do. Y'all like Toy Story? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh, there's Spy. Pump it louder. Pump it louder. Turn up the radio. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Turn up the stereo for 57, yo, right now. Wait till this just pawns. We need one fat candle now. Do 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 do. Shh, my dog won't stop barking, yeah. Can Spy do it? Does she have it? I think she does, baby. Do 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 rapapa. What I'm kind of bummed out about, I'm not gonna lie, Roku and all the other tech stocks, I don't think they're moving as much. I think they're all technically anticipating a, what the hell do you call it? Microsoft earnings. So we'll see what happens. Do 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 do. We picked up Beamy shares at 174. We got 50 shares. Yeah, spent about 88 bucks. I guess I can get like 5 more. I have $5 in buying power, or 4 more. Oh, things pumping again now. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay, we're drained out of buying power. Do 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 do. The Mark shares are up 2%. Remark Holdings. Sha da 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 da. Here we are, Beamy shares, moving up the stairs. So Beamy's not optional. Do 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 do. But that's what we got shares. I think we could easily get this 12x here. I want to see what the all-time high. Yeah, so let's see if we get a pump. No reverse split, so let's see if we can get it. Would y'all be happy if this 10x'd? Look at the momentum indicator in the month. Might have to hold this bad boy out. Let's just see something. I'm just curious. I'm just curious. Do do do. I'm just curious. So above $12, roughly, we're looking at possibly $20 if it just gets a nasty ripstick. Let's eat it. Let's eat it. You know what to do if it goes free. Sell half and ride out the rest. Do 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 do. It's pretty much what we did on Mark last time. Should have got this from my sister's LT. Speaking of, let's just take a look. Oh. I'm just gonna check it on my phone. Yeah, so her position's still down 15%. Nothing crazy. I love rock and roll. Do 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 remarks, baby. Do 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 do. Da 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 bum 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 bounce. Don't. Dee dee doo dee doo. Heads, let the spy call ride. Tails, pull out. We got heads, letting it roll, baby. That's what she said. I said, I don't mind. 457 looks good. Retest 458.5, and we will run it up to 460. The market wants to run with me. I don't know what the heck I said, but it looks like it might the bed. Do 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 do. Do do. Watch the market pull right back. Do 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 do. This thing's gonna go parabolic. This thing might go parabolic. This freaking thing might go parabolic. Do 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 do. Bum 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 bum. If it breaks $2, it's just gonna surge like 20 to 30% in a hot minute. We'll see. Just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Do 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 do. Bum 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 bum. We got any Bruno fans up in here or what? Should we go back to the Philo? Oh. Oh, so our premiums are kind of getting milked with the chop. We need solid direction to the upside here. Oh. Zoom is squeezing on the 5-minute. Roku squeezing. I mean, this sounds crazy. I actually wouldn't mind just closing everything out and putting it into the Beamy stock and just watching it gap up overnight and then exiting. That would be crazy. I should have done that with Mark the other day. Do 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 do. Boom 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 boom. Do 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 do. I remember Winning, 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 winning. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Follow me, it'll be alright. You already know, that's alright. Those aren't the words, but we are going to the moon. Do 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 do. Everyone wants to go to the moon, but no one wants to ride the rocket ship. Know what I'm saying? Can you dig it? It's been a long day. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Spies ripping, boom boom boom. Wait for that momentum to kick in. Wait for it to go, 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 go. Then we're gonna go up to the moon. Yeah, it's been a do 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 do. Do 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 do. I love seeing some of my followers on Twitter. It's pretty funny. It's pretty funny. We're just chilling. We're just chilling. I love how the spy play right now is like, I think the only, no, Roku's still green, 3%, but it's all good. So now the market doesn't look like it's so far from bouncing, does it? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Dude, I can't believe NFTs are selling for like 3.4 mil. Like, what the frick is that? So here's another ticker. I'm giving a freebie. I'm not alerting it. I'm not getting into it because the buying power right now is at 0. I like this stock. I saw it yesterday. It's down 17%. And this is the 3-year by week chart on it. Has the potential to go $7 plus. The max profit, it has been priced at $18 before. Getting a huge volume increase this month, or this week actually. What is it up this week? This is the most, oh wow, check this out, look. This is the most volume traded ever. Ever. On that stock. I think that's an education company or something like that. Let's see, 59. There's that. There's that. So from a monthly perspective, that's what we're looking at. This could be another potential hitter. We'll just see what happens with. So our BME shares are currently up 10%. Our Mark shares are up 2%. That free stock is down. It's probably butt cheeks. Sucks. That's all good though. I do like this Red U, Rise Education. I was looking at this the other day. I think this could be another potential penny popper. Last time I had the same volume, I had this spike here, and then it ran up like in 1 week later. It ran off the earnings move. Oh, and they have earnings. Yeah, 150%, $6. The earnings, look, earnings are today after market. Should we play this? Alright, I'm selling out of the snap for the 30 bucks that we have here. I'm out. Let's get out. Hopefully someone fills us at 3. Probably not. I think snap actually looks pretty good too, right? Let me see something real quick. Nope. Nope. We're not gonna make it on the snap anyway. That's okay. Oh, I got one sold at 3 cents. Alright, let's replace. So I have 9 left. Can I sell 9 at 2 cents at least? Not enough shares? Cancel. I'm not trying to sell shares. I'm trying to sell contracts, bro. I sold 5 at 9 cents. Wait, what's going on, man? Oh, I hate when this thing doesn't work. Robinhood's so frustrating. Okay, cancel the order. Okay. This thing is so slow. Alright, 9 contracts. That's why I hate Robinhood. I'm selling for a huge loss. Just fill me. There we go. Jesus Lord. SPY coming back down. So we had Red U. So see what they did last quarter. The earnings per share was 0, and they didn't report anything. Do 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 do. Zoom and Roku are just like benchmark. SPY is fighting for its life to 457. Oh gosh. 11 minutes ago, Senator Wyden says minimum tax proposal will be released shortly. So depending on how this tax stuff comes out, this could get real interesting. Do do do. Do 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 do. Our SPY call is now negative $2. It's about to go red real fast, I feel like. That's okay. It's alright, it's okay. I'm gonna sell some Facebook A. I'm gonna cut 2 of the Facebook at 26 cents a contract. Get some $52 back, submit. I don't like my Facebook. Do. Twitter's the Wild West. $2 break on Beamy. Well, it did for a sec. Yeah, let's check it out. Roku. We don't really need Roku up. That's for January. Beamy. Oh, 213, baby. Don't worry. Watch the retest. Watch the retest. I'm telling you, at the end of the day, this thing's gonna go berserk. It's just gonna be like, probably gonna sell off from everyone who had like in here. It's gonna just go. Happens every time. It happens every time. Do. Did I just see Patrick Mahomes tweet that NFTs are the future? Dang, dude, some Ohio guy just got arrested for piping penny stocks. Damn, that sucks. That's why I say it's not financial advice, it's just my own trades. You will lose money. Yeah. Give me $2, damn it. Oh, the Facebook sold down to 2, baby. Alright, alright. Alright, alright, alright. Here comes the 213 break. Watch how it goes. Watch how it doesn't fake. Here we go, ramping up, going on the moon. It's up, it's going through. So every 20% we make $20 on this. Not bad for a less than $100 investment. Oh, I think it's halted. Actually, yeah, I think it's halted. Huh. Wait, time and sales. Yeah, it's halted again. Nice. So on this halt, it's just gonna gap up when all those orders get filled on buys, it's just gonna go. Here go the dogs barking in the background. Look at this. Should we do it on the one? No, we're on the 1 minute. Watch how it's just gonna blast through 213. Ah, do 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 do. We love when everyone's winning, baby. Do 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 do. Okay. I don't know what's going on. So here's the B-me come down, and then there's the pop. The orders have to get filled, so. be me? Don't you want to be me? He. Get it? Don't you want to be me? This is so funny. This is so funny. Beamy halted again. Okay, another one. Do 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 do. Now 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 now. Do 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 do. This thing has just been getting smacked. Oh. Alright. While we're looking at this, let's get the red U out of here. And I want to see SPY. So here's SPY. So we freed up some buying power. Now that Amazon should be down on the day a little bit. Yeah, here we go. I think we could probably top to 3,700. Well, 3,600 is really what I wanted. Now, this is, when is their earnings again? I think earnings, I don't think it's today. I think it's, oh, it could be today, but I thought it was in a couple days on the 28th. Yeah, so it's on the 10/28. So, now the contracts are a little, oh, that's a 3,700 call, wait a minute. So last time the spread was like 50 cents, it's now 40-ish. Oh, it's a little bit under. Right, so if we get two of these, we're paying like 40 cents for 924 profit. If we get filled on that. So let's go to Amazonian. And trade Amazon options. We're gonna go this week. We're gonna scroll all the way up. I think, what did Amazon do? It dropped like 200 points last time, right? Dude, if Amazon shits the bed again, we freaking screwed in this market, bro. That would be like that would be the tell-all that the market is like shiznit out of luck. Shiznit out of luck. So market dumped 10%, 300 points. So let's say duplicate, and let's just say, kind of looks similar though, right? Same kind of pattern. Whatever. Let's just say we get Amazon from here on out, and we get there. That's 3671. 3671. Let's just do the 3700. 36 50 36 45. Okay, those are 23 cents a spread, and if we get 4, let's see, if we get 3, We need it to be under 70. This is exactly the buying power that we have for potential $1,400. I'll take it. Has to happen by earnings or we're clipped. Trade options. The weekly. $255 on Beat Me and halted again. I think we're almost. Oh, Zoom's coming back up a little bit. The SPY's fighting a little bit here. Dude, I don't know, guys, but I feel like Amazon. I honestly feel like we have a. I'm sorry. Halted again. Sorry, I missed your projection for this. $3. Beat Me take profits today. Listen, if you're up big, you could take profits whenever. Taking profits is never the bad option here. We're actually up 50%. I was saying I think this could probably 5 or 10x overnight. I know that sounds like a crazy exaggeration, but however, look at here's the history, right? So we're trading the most volume ever on this stock, and even on this pop here, we had about what 40 mil in volume. We're now doing about 133 in volume by volume. So that's 3x, and we're only at $2.50. Somehow this ran to 12, so I'm thinking just by volume, a lot of people are trying to get in this. This could, they have to fill the order, so this could go nuclear. I was aiming of a price target of at least $5 with like the after hours pump and everything. So we'll see what happens. I mean, we just saw Mark, right? Like I'll give you an example. Here's Mark. Mark had a volume back here, right here, of about 450 mil plus in volume, and that thing shot from like 38 cents into 1.11, right? So just do the math right there. 110 divided by 0.4, it's like 2.75x. And here's the volume that we had recently, right? Lower volume by about half, roughly, and that shot from 81 cents to 251, which was 3x. So I think even with the low volume, we might be able to see BIMI kind of run up the bag. Plus, with all these halts, there's a bunch of orders, right, that are still trying to get in there. So I think that we should be able to see somewhere here. I'll just show you the chart. Here's a 1 year by week, right? So can't even look at this anymore because it's almost hot on the RSI here, and the technical highest price would be 281 for the day or for the 1 year by week. When you go into the 3 year by week, this is where we're at. So I think our ultimate pullback would be around 367, maybe 415. But I'm just going to hold this for a couple weeks. I think we could probably see 12. I think we could see 12 plus. It sounds crazy right now, but in my opinion, I don't see why not. It's still low enough that people will. So I think people will stop getting into it once it's maybe above $10. That's when people will start assessing, like where the risk tolerance is. And then the other thing too is like look at the monthly time frame here, right? This is all a squeeze to the upside. So we'll see. No doubt, no doubt. Now, I will tell you this. What I did say was if this hits 100%, right? Like, let's say this just unloads, hits 100%, I would probably recommend, I wouldn't even recommend. What I would do, I would recommend to myself, is I would probably make it free and sell half the shares. But that is just me. That is usually my strategy. That's why I call it make it free. That's what I'm all about. Just my thought process. So I didn't see that Beanie. So I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna be looking at Amazon on this thing over here, but I'm gonna move it to the other screen because I know a lot of people are interested in Bimmy and all that stuff. So I'm gonna leave it like that. I'll put it on the 1 minute so you can see all the pullbacks and stuff. So this is what you want to see. You see how it's like floating and gapping up? You want to start seeing that on like the 1 year, 1 day time frame, and that's when you know it's gonna go like nuts. Now, while that's doing that, let me go to Amazon. I gotta figure this out. I gotta figure this out. Congrats on the W to everyone who played it, though. Oh, unhalted. Halted again. Is it halted? I guess so. Do. Now, if you're comfortable with your profits, you can always pull out. And also remember, it could always flash crash down on the halt down, right? Whoever's shorting this, whatever institutions are shorting this, are going to try to push the stock price down to force retail to sell. Keep that in mind. Those SPY calls are back up too. They're up 20%. I'm trying to see if they get above that. Jeez. Is that so much to ask for? Do 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 do. Let me put the Robinhood account right here. Okay. Hold down now. Yeah. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. All good. All good. Yeah. Alright, heads, we play Amazon earnings. Tails, we fall back. Ooh. I kind of dropped that one. Hold on. Let me see if we can get the sound. That's what I want to hear. Did we get the sound? Let's see. I'm going to do it right here. So heads, we play the earnings. Tails, we fall back. Heads. We play the earnings. We play the earnings. Do 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 do. Market is picking up. Somebody gets picking up. Beanie halted down. So, one of the things I want to talk about real quick, since a lot of people are asking, coin flip, let's go, my favorite. Yeah, I know. Beat me take profit today, holding for the long analysis. Thanks for analysis. No problem. Let's fucking, can't say that. Let's go. Anyway, so here's what I was going to say with equity and shares, right? You only sell when you press sell. I'm sorry, you only lose when you press sell. That wouldn't make sense. Of course you sell when you sell, but when you only lose when you hit the sell button and you're negative. So, with that being said, let's just say Beanie happens to just drop to, I don't know, $1 and we're down 50%. Remember, this was a push from today, so don't let the euphoria get to you. You can take profit if you had a certain ROI you were aiming for in your head. Take it and run. However, I was saying in my case, this was more of a long-term kind of play, and it was going to be like a multi-weeker month swing, couple of month swing. So just be ready for that. So if you do see this dump into the next 40, 50 minutes of the market, be ready for that. I am expecting that it should get a pickup and a pump in after hours or pre-market. That is my expectation. That is what I'm looking for, and that is what I'm hoping to get. And we're back. We're back again. I hope SPY gaps up tomorrow. It's risky, yeah. We don't know what tomorrow brings. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Boom, 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 boom. What did we get Mark at? So we're down on the Mark shares too? Come on, man. Alright. The real question is, are we going to go Amazon calls? Close expiration with IV. Should we go? First, let's do naked calls or the spread. So heads for naked calls, tails for the spread. Coin. God, the coin is feeling risky today, baby. The coin says naked calls. Let's go. How much you want to bet? I'm going to do something extremely nasty. How much you want to get? We get like 3,800. I know that sounds crazy. Well, I'm literally going to just say it now. I feel that by the run-up, if we get to $3,450 or $3,500 before earnings somehow, right? Before earnings, I feel like Amazon just breaks all-time highs and sells off. I'm saying it on the stream right now. I genuinely feel like this is a massive double bottom, and this is just part of like the move up. Can you see? Look, can we see this? Look, I know this is not really like technical analysis. This is kind of just like craziness. Can we just see? This is not technical analysis. This is just literally earnings are YOLOs, right? So this is all I'm saying, dude. Let's just ramp up. All I'm saying. Really not technical analysis at all. I'm just saying it could go crazy. Quarter 3 is supposed to be your strongest quarter in every financial company. In my opinion, I think Amazon could go crazy. So, let's just say There's literally less than 1% that this goes in the money. Let's just say we got 1. Let's just say we get 1. And we happen to get in the money. So Amazon would need to run up like 10% or more. Let's see. We need to go like 15%. No. Yeah, like 13 to 12%. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm going to sell one more Facebookian. I might need to sell another Facebookian. BME is back to 205, 207, 206, 208, 211. Let me just put it there. Let me just put it on the screen. So it's floating down. Not really too worried about it, honestly. The thing is, we have equity, so if it ever pops like in 3 weeks, we'll still make money off it. Could still run up a bag. Alright. We're also... Oh, how many day trades have I used on the Robinhood? Guys, I forgot. This is under $25,000 account, so we have a certain amount of day trades. We've already used 3 this week. Gotta be cautious. So let's see. We have $98 in buying power. I say that we take. Damn, 13% on SPY is really not that much. I think we should let SPY kind of run up. Alright, I'm gonna take one off the Roku. I'm just taking one off Roku at $1.24. Let me just replace it. It's not gonna fill me for that, so do $1.23. It should autofill me. Yeah, alright, cool. I got filled. So now we have $221 in buying power. We're gonna go to the Amazonian trade options, October 29th. I don't know if I want to do the week though. I kind of want to get at least like an extra week of time, if we can. Let's just look. Here's a month out. The 4,000 calls are 200. You know what? We should just get a 4,200 call. And just call it a freaking day, like a monthly. All right, look at this. Let's just see something real quick. I want to know what would happen to the price of this. So that 4,200 call for November. I learned my lesson a while ago too, right? Because the thing here is, if you get time, if there's like a crazy move in volatility, you get screwed. However, you do get the opportunity that if it just slingshots straight up, these contracts are the ones that have the best possible outcome, the ones with time, because then those get jacked up more in price. So for example, if this goes up 13%, or let's just say 10%, that's not good. We're only making 500, but you get time. So let's say it goes up like 20%. I don't think if Amazon went up 20%, it would be crazy. But anyway, if these contracts ran up to 4,200 or more, let's just say like 4,000, you can make $4,000. Interesting. So let's see. So Amazon will need to like I haven't pulled a bag on Amazon in a minute. I say we just go on the weeklies. I think we just go on the weeklies and get something where we can get two contracts. It doesn't have to be crazy. It just needs to be. Just need a 10% pop. Oh man. I know my biggest regret is when I play these big tickers. I never get the right amount of contracts that I need. So 220. So we get a forward this contract. 30. Where's the chart? Yo, what's going on, Apollo? Welcome to the chat. Hi, chat. Subscribe if you haven't already, baby. How you doing? Thanks for joining the chat, my friend. Much love, much love. If you don't know who this is, if you don't know Apollo, I'm gonna pull up his Twitter. Shout out to the OTC market god. It's at Apollo Invest. APOLLOINVESTS. Shout out to Apollo. He is an OTC penny stock god, and if you don't follow, give him a follow, baby. He has a lot of DD on OTC stocks, a lot of great plays. He's the man. Shout out to Apollo, baby. Look, IFX. I didn't talk about that on stream. Actually, I think I talked about it once, but if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have been in here. Shout out to Apollo, baby. Do. All right, Amazon. Let's get it. Let's get it. I really do think Amazon's gonna go wild. Like this range box of consolidation into the earnings, right? It's gonna hit 3,600, and then I think we're gonna gap up. People think I'm crazy, and I think I'm crazy myself. But here's the weekly getting loaded into earnings, right? Just Amazon does Amazon things. I know. I just feel it. I just feel it. The thing is finding the right play. How's options doing for you today? Today it's been alright. We actually had plays from the other day, so the account's actually down 20%. Yeet. Not so good, but oh, those are shares. So we got some SPY calls that we entered. Those are up 15%. Not too bad. I bought them on the dip today, expecting SPY to kind of ramp up into close. The Facebook, we made this play free a while back. I think we sold it at like 160% a while ago, and then I got in for the earnings and decided to add to the position. It ran up 30% before the earnings. It popped, but Facebook obviously melted after earnings. So those premiums got IV shocked and then came down. Zoom and Roku are two of the recent trades we entered. So the Roku 500 calls, I'm swinging this long term. This actually popped the other day. Was it today? Yeah, today these were up like 11%, and then it actually ran up to 169. So we were up like 40 something percent, and then the market slipped. So that's that. The Zooms, same thing. We copped these at $1.10. So right about, I think it was like around here, like somewhere around there. And then they ran up a little bit, then the market slipped. So overall, those are long-term plays, though. I still believe in these two. Earnings run-up plays as well. So just getting in ahead of time. I kind of want to take the profit on the SPY, but I'm going to try to swing in this overnight. It's 2. And I think we could probably retest, as you can see here. Whoops. Right there. I think we'll retest, maybe make highs, new highs in after hours with the earnings, right? Because we have the whole earnings season still. So yeah. Regarding everything else, we did pick up some shares today. We got back into Mark. Last time I played this, sold it for 200, I think 100 to 200%, somewhere around there. And then Bimmy, we picked these up at 174 on a pullback. Bought about 53 shares. These already ran up to 40%. So when they hit a high at 263, we got it literally right somewhere on this pullback. Oh, it was like right here. Something like that, and then they just ripstick. I think this is going to go like 5 to 10x, probably in after hours. That's just my personal opinion. Not even trying to like pump or anything. I've seen a lot of penny stocks go crazy after hours, and it's just because a lot of investors are trying to like market, extend hours, and then sell at the open. That's a technique I know a lot of people use. I don't, but hey, whatever works for some people, right? But they had an acquisition of a pharma company for like 11 mil. So I think they could get a lot of good traction. The 3-year by week high with these penny stocks that I've found winners on. Let me show you right here how this works, at least on my experience, is when you get hot stocks like this that are up, right? You just got to zoom out on the chart 3-year by week and just see where they're at, right? So you have $12 as the high. We're only here. We're trading pretty much, let's see, the volume today is 156 million in buy volume for the most part on the week, compared to 40 mil. So we're trading 3 times the volume, and we're not even getting that strong of a push, right? So I think that this can easily break the descending triangle, and then we could probably see this move into like the $4, maybe $6 range. So, and this is a pretty, I think people will FOMO chase this. So there's nothing wrong with entering on a FOMO. You just got to know, like, for example, like we played this here. We saw the top. We waited for the pullback. As the pullback started picking up, then we got in on the next candle. So So no complaints. Other than that, just chilling. Kind of want to see market above 457 close. I don't know if we'll get it today, but that's about it, boy. And then the other thing, we're actually looking to get into this Amazon, limiting them trades, huh? You option trading on Robinhood? What? I know. Well, I'm doing the small account on Robinhood, just because it's user friendly. So the small account so far, even though it's down 20% today, 20% plus now. We started this, so all this history ignore, but we started on October 11th with $500, and then we kind of ran it up to like almost $2,000, so 1,800. That was this morning pre-market, I believe. Yes. That was yesterday, and then pre-market 1809, and then obviously the market slipped today and stuff like that. So down about $400, but overall not too bad. Still up 100% on the account. So just chilling. Breaking even on the week. We'll bounce back. I mean, if the Zoom and Roku just pick up like to where they were, we'll be net positive again. So not even too stressed about it. All right, we gotta find. Yeah, options on Robinhood are kind of limited, but if you're doing swings, it's really not terrible. So I don't mind it. I prefer TOS, but it's a lot easier. It's more intuitive in my opinion, but it is what it is. Alright, so let's see what we can get here. Amazon is setting up for a ringer. I just feel like Amazon's going to break all-time highs. Quarter 3 should be the strongest physical quarter for any company. We already saw Netflix smash. Facebook pretty much did well, even though the revenue was short on what the expectations were. They still did well on earnings per share. Obviously, we have Microsoft. I don't see Microsoft doing anything bad. Maybe the reaction might be bad. Not bad at all. Also, have you ever seen Alex DeLarge on Twitter? He is an OTC guru. I have not, but I wonder, is that the same person? I just saw an article. Wait a minute. I don't know if I'm going to find out my Twitter stream or my Twitter feed. I just saw an article that some guy just got arrested for pumping OTC penny stocks. And I think that was the name. Oh, come on, dude. Am I not going to find this now? Oh, here we go. Yeah, Alexander DeLarge. Is this it? Is that your boy? Just got clapped by the... look at that. That's a rough article. Was doing a pump and dump scheme. Netted him $1 million through the Twitter handle Alex DeLarge 6553. Sucks. Sucks to suck. Not bad at all. I don't know if my let's see what's going on in the chat, baby. That's the portfolio. This is this guy. I want to put the portfolio back into this tab here. Where's the chat, baby? Yeah, so I don't really yeah. Yeah, I kind of want to see what this guy looks like. There's no... I was like, there's no freaking way. I wonder... So I guess that's his Twitter handle. And he was going by an anonymous name or something like that? Or is this actually him? There's no way, because this just said this was something else, right? Whoa. Okay. Alexander DeLarge. Fictional character. Where do people... He's a fictional character he's portraying. His real name is in the article. Oh yeah, I didn't even bother reading the article. Actually, I read a little bit, but I wasn't... Oh, Stephen Gallagher. Why, that name sounds so familiar. Yeah, Stephen Gallagher. Damn. Imagine trending on the news. That sucks. Oh, dude, is he a business owner? Is this him? No, that's Florida. Do. You probably just found out my thing. They're not gonna show pictures, are they? Or are they? Come on. I'm sure we'll see pictures soon in the news. Yikes! Frank Gallagher from Shameless. That's funny. Do. What did this oh, this is from the damn Department of Justice or U.S. Attorney's Office. That sucks. Earning $1 million in illegal proceeds. Damian Williams, United States Attorney. Okay, 70,000 followers. Wait, he created a stock promotion account on Twitter that gained over 70,000 followers. Used that account to tout certain over-the-counter penny stocks to disseminate false and misleading information about his trading in those stocks in order to induce his followers to purchase these stocks and drive up the prices. Over $1 million in profits by then secretly selling his previously acquired holdings of those penny stocks. Gallagher was arrested today in North. Damn, that sucks. Bro, people are dumb as hell. Like, how are you gonna get 70,000 followers and then just like scam 70,000 people? Let's just say 10%, 7,000 people. Like, you gotta be dumb as hell to do that. You gotta be dumb as hell. Look at this Starboy kid, 92,000 followers. I think you mentioned to follow him. Someone mentioned to follow this kid. So I like to see what people say on Twitter. Kid seems thirsty. He like DMs every chick on their Twitter handle and stuff. He bought the followers to make it seem like he knew what he was doing and people felt. Oh God. He got caught scamming there, then continues to pump with a restricted brokerage account somehow. Dude, how are you that stupid? Bro, can you imagine printing that much and then just screwing up? Yo, beat me on the run again. Like, that's just dumb as hell. That's actually dumb as hell. Just want to reiterate how dumb that is. Alright, let's get into these Amazons, baby. So, are we taking Amazon? Coin. Heads. We're going to run the Amazon's tails. We fall back. That was such a crappy flip. Let me see if we can get that on the mic, baby. Let's see what happened next, okay? Know you heard that. I know you heard that. Let's see what happens next, okay? Dude, the coin wants it. I'm going to just take these 3,800 calls. And Amazon's going to run. That's 500 points, right? That's crazy. Hold on. So, Amazon earnings is on Wednesday, I think. 10/28. Yeah, and we're 2 days away. So we pretty much have tomorrow to pump into 3,500s. And then do 10% of that. Yeah, 3,800 sounds reasonable. Let's see what happens next, okay. Coin's been flipped already. It's a go. Yeah, you're right about that. Now it's flipping on the 3,800. Let's see what happens next. Okay. This is where you don't lotto. We don't lotto. But we're going to do it anyway. Let's see what happens next. Okay. What's the spread on this contract? Previous close was 148. Bid is 173 to 188. All right, let's see. We'll might get 1 if we can get filled at like 1.7. I'll go 1.75. Let's see what happens next. Okay, put in at 175. I don't think we're gonna get filled on that, but we can find out. I hate swinging calls because whenever I get into them, I seem to always lose money. But with how you do them, you might inspire me to come back into it. Yeah, so the way I swing calls, it's a little bit different, right? Like this is a lotto, so this is not what I do at all. This is just like I'm looking at possible coin flip scenarios, right? Earnings can go either way. Most of, honestly, with all the earnings we've had, they've all been pop, lock, and then pump. So, right, that was Netflix, Facebook. I'm assuming Amazon does the same thing Wednesday, which could kill us on the IV. But my dumbass is going to do it anyway. So, with that being said, I think that there's a new CEO, right? Bezos stepped down, so there's someone else in place. I think they're going to be focusing on numbers. And I kind of was saying, like, one of the cool things here that I would like to do is I probably would like to even go like a month out if I can. And I'll just show you right now. Like if I got a 4,000 call, right? 415. Okay, so that's kind of pricey. I'd have to go out like here. Right, let's say this 4250 call, right? Amazon would need to go up 25% for me to hit this. However, if you check out the alright, so let's just say 42,500 or 4250, I think it was. Alright, here we are. 4250. Let's open up the options historical pricing and let's just see. So at the top, right? Amazon at its high. Now, that's not how it always works, but Amazon at its high. Like if Amazon were to get back to 37.73, these contracts will be probably worth 10K or more, right? So let's just take a look at this. Do I have it here? No. So let's just take a look. Now this is not factoring in like theta and all that stuff. This is just historical pricing. So that's like if it like straight rocketed up, which is probably not the case. But the cool thing I do like to see is that when it gives you a general ballpark of what could happen. So let's just say Amazon goes up 10% on the earnings. We'll make $300 and we'll still have time. So let's say Amazon has a continuation, or let's say it tops earnings. I don't think it's going to do anything like 4K, but let's just say it breaks all-time highs. We could still make profit here off $200. The risk to reward is there. Click this link. Ha ha ha. Oh God. What's this link going to be? Let me know when the link drops. Do. I think Bimmy's halted again. Do. So yeah, anyway, we're saying while we're waiting for that link, we could get the Novembers, right? We can kind of go a little risky. Or we could go the Octobers and get the 3,800 call. Or 3,700. So 3,700 is 370 now. 3,750 is going to be 261. 3,800 will be $1.82. And if it does go 10%, we're going to make we could make potentially $3,000. So if it hits the highs and breaks the highs, let's just say we get like a 12% move, you know, could be pretty crazy. So I think you know what we got to do here. We just got to YOLO dolo. Take the weekly. This is not a financial recommendation. All this is for entertainment purposes only. Do da 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 da. Place order. Continue. No one wanted to sell that anyway. Da 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 bum bum ba bum bum ba da da dum bum bum. Do 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 do. It's above the message. Is it hidden? I don't see a link there. Do 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 bum 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 bum. Alright, here's the Amazon. Really? You're not gonna fill me? Place order, continue. Really, dude? Okay, I'll check it out. It's not there. YouTube chat does not allow links. Doesn't show them. Really? That's crazy. That's dumb. YouTube's trying to keep it in-house, huh? So we're gonna need a break of 3801. I don't want that. Oh, you know what I want to do? Hold on. Before we get into that call, this is what I want to do. Did the premiums go up? Oh, that's for the 4250 call. $3801.25. I think we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens next. Okay. We gotta make a move on this though. Dude, these spreads are so disgusting. Alright, if it doesn't fill me at 190, then I don't know. Dude, are you for real? There we go, 190. Took the Amazon weekly 3800 call. High key, do not recommend. I just wanna see a Millie go, 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 go. Da 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 ba dum bum bum bum. Spy calls. Back to live. Oh, let me check out that link, huh? Let me check out that link, eh? Let me check out the link, okay? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I think Zoom is coming back up to life a little bit. Alright, let's check out this link from Apollo. Oh, no way! Oh, what a good link. What a good link. Let's go, Apollo. Dude, this is the guy. This is the guy you took stock advice from, okay? When the homies won't hit the books even though you told them news was coming, bro. This is the dude pulling up his bookie right now. He's like, yo, I gotta need some bail, bro. SCIE to $1. Yeah, this picture's kind of like hilarious. Hold on, let me see SCIE. I'm just curious what that even looks like. Bimmy halted again. Oh no, it's not halted. I lied. SCIE. Let's see what the historical pricing on this bad boy is. Spec for science. Holy dilution. What a guy. What a nice guy. That sucks. Well, I don't feel bad for him because he was scamming like a bunch of people. You could just be honest, dude. Oh, Amazon. So our Amazons are coming up. I forgot to dock this down. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I really am expecting Amazon to go freaking nuts though for earnings. All right, baby. Okay. So his biggest pump recently is GMPW. It's suffering today. Probably because his whole account got clapped by the SEC. GMPW. Let's take a look at this. 81 cents, down 50%. Holy hell. What do you do? Pump this from a cent to like $1? Dude, that's crazy. If he pumped all of that, that would be literally, that's actually wild. I actually would, I think I might give this dude some credit for being dumb enough to actually, I'm just kidding, I'm not giving credit. Freaking hell. Dude, the ROI on that would be disgusting on shares. Ugh. Ugh. So I'm assuming he pretty much just, he probably just like had like a fake, like he had one account. He probably funded 2 accounts and then like he would just buy it early on one and then just go crazy on the other and be like, oh, I'm going to buy this stock, it looks sick, and then just sell like whenever he felt like it was topped out. Oh, the Roku's coming back to life, up 6%. Zoom, still 80 cents. We bought those at 110, down 30%. Those were up 30 to 40% before the market dipped a little bit here. Oh, come on. Let's get this 1 minute on SPY. Dude, SPY better hit that 457 plus, bro. If this dumps, I'm going to be pissed. I'll be pissed. The Amazon is at 185. 84. Historically, those contracts, dude, were like, they're down 62%. So, wow. Historically, the high of those contracts was like $6. It's actually not that much. Like, when you think about it, it's really not a lot. Yo, man, I have to go do a test. Have a great day, man. We'll definitely tune in on this. Yo, good luck on your test, my guy. I know that biochem you told me about ain't easy. I mean, the orgo? I think it was organic. I wish you the best, bro. I wish you the best. He pumped that to over $1. He banked the shit. Yeah, he's going to get out. Like, he's just going to use his money. Because I think, like, in the lawsuit of that stuff, technically the money is legally his. And, well, not legally. It's illegally now, so I don't know. Usually they walk out with some stuff like that. We'll see. But good luck on your test, bro. Alright, let's check out Beamy. What do you guys want to call it? Beamy or Bimmy? I think it's pronounced Bimmy. Like B-I-M-I? Bimmy? Alright, we're down 20% on the account. We're down 20% on the account. Just waiting for some moves after hours, I guess. We'll see what happens. We ramped pretty well green on the day, so we'll see what happened. Or at least in the morning, you know, we dipped a little bit. It wasn't bad when we were down like 7%, and then we were up. And then we just mudslid all the way down to like almost 25% down. So that's kind of like where we're tailing right now. So we'll see. The Roku's long. Not gonna lie, a little worried about the Amazon lotto, but I guess we'll see what happens. You never know. I'm gonna just trust the coin. Dude, they said at like 2:30 this afternoon, I think it was. They were going to release the tax proposal bill shortly. And then like half an hour later, they said Democratic Republican BD says reconciliation bill will include some paid family leave. Says White House lawmakers are very close to deal on the bill, and it is now like almost a full hour and a half later. Do 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 do. Oh, spy call's coming down, baby. Down 10% on the spy calls. Oh, wow. Big ticker down. Big, big, big move down. We sold one of them, so let's see what happens next. Looks like we're running it down into close. No bueno. Hopefully this is what happens. We ramp in. Well, if they drop that bill and the people don't like it, like if Wall Street doesn't like it, we're screwed. In the circle of life. 1 minute. Do 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 do. Might set a buy order to re-enter Bimmy at 174 and hope it hits in after hours. I took profit at 250. Let's go, baby! Yeah, I should have took profit too. I wasn't even paying attention. I was looking on Amazon, dude. But yeah, we got about 30 seconds left, so you know what it is. You know what we're gonna do. We're gonna blast the music, baby. Do 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 do. Personally, I think that Bimmy might ramp on after hours. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Ding, 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 ding. And that's the bell, baby. We did it, we made it, we did it, we made it, we did it, we made it, baby. Alright, let's recap real quick. Alright, so what do we do? Obviously, our market and our portfolio might resonate differently. So I think I might just screen cap that now. 1457.76. I'm going to message it to myself. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Alright, so we are in the Amazon 3800 calls for the earnings lotto. Hopefully that runs up tomorrow in anticipation for the next day's earnings. We have the 460 call that ended up being down in the day. After we got those, we were up about 22%, and then now we're reversed on that. So remember, SPY's a 24-hour market, so we could see that get clapped in the morning. The Facebooks, we pretty much sold most of those and leaving it runner to see if we make some money back there because we have time. Zoom and Roku, you already know what it is. Those are the long-term swings. Then we picked up shares of Bimmy and Mark, and we have that free AQB share. Not a recommendation. Didn't buy this. I got it for free, so I don't know about that. I have to do DD on that. So yeah, hopefully we get some after-hours positive percentage ROI here. We'll see how that plays out. Remember, the Bimmy is kind of like an after-hours event I was looking for, so I'm kind of hoping that what we see here is maybe a little bit of pullback right now, and then after hours we kind of gap up or something like that. We do have Microsoft earnings, so I don't know. Should we stick around? Ooh, Microsoft, baby! There's the pop, but don't get too excited. Oh, let's go. They already dropped that. Revenue, $45.3 billion. LinkedIn revenue up. Dude, they own LinkedIn? Oh my god, 42%. Dude, they're smashing. Let's see, server products and cloud services revenue is up 35%. Service revenue down. Oh, the computer, the laptop, that's down 17%. That could hurt them. Windows OEM revenue up 10%. Earnings per share 2.7. Net $20.5 billion. Operating income 7.56, 5.1 on more personal computing operating income. Productivity and business process. Dude, they're in the billions. It looks like they're killing it. So it looks like, what was the estimate? Does not tell us what they were. The Surface Pro is like their biggest thing, right? Ooh, running it up a little bit after hours, baby. Running it up a little bit. Running it up. I was kind of hoping that Microsoft would go nuts, like to the moon, like way up there. All right, but oh yeah, so here's Bimmy. You see, Bimmy is moving after hours a little bit. 2.68 at the high. So this is the thing I'm telling you about Amazon, right? With Amazon. Oh, wait a minute. Peace out. Go Bimmy. Peace out, baby. We thank you for joining. Bring a family friend member back, baby. Let's get this VPN out of here. So yeah, I'm expecting Microsoft to go nuts, right? And if Microsoft blows 315, right, and we go to all-time highs above this 313, I said 315, but 313, we want it above. This will help bring SPY and the rest of the market up. The only thing I have to worry about is this little volatility candle, right? If Microsoft dumps below that and then picks back up and then dumps and gets choppy with crazy wicks, that could really screw us up on the SPY puts. That can actually messes up on the Amazon if Amazon reacts the same way. But we saw it with Netflix, we saw it with Facebook, we're seeing it with Microsoft. The thing is, they have to hit new highs and hold. All right. Already up $15 in after hours because of Bimmy. All right, baby. So anyway, that's it. Let's see. What are the level 2s? Oh, so Microsoft beat estimates. Earnings per share 2.27 compared to the 2.07 estimate. Sales 45. They beat on sales. Oh yeah, they should do crazy tomorrow. I knew they were. My friend, dude, I'm telling you, I sniped that. Literally, my buddy just asked me all the puts I'm seeing on Microsoft. He's kind of iffy, and then I literally just said probably ramps. So I don't know. We'll see new highs on Microsoft in the morning. I feel it. Let's see if the Qs are reacting to that a little bit. As long as the guidance is... So now that we have all the numbers, all that matters here is the guidance, right? If the guidance is crappy, Microsoft could get clapped. You see that drop right there? If Microsoft comes down, all of this doesn't matter. Just right now, it's all about the guidance. If they up their guidance for next year, this could do well. Or next quarter, then Microsoft can have that continuation play. But it just depends on what they say. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for being here. We did it. We made it, baby. GG. We got some philo in, right? We had a good day. We learned something. If you're here, I hope you learned something new or learned something in general. I hope you could share the information you learned today with a friend, family member, or a loved one. I hope that you stay blessed, baby. With that being said, I love you. We did it. We made it. Shout out to any veterans we got in the chat, baby. I hope you have a great evening. Peace out.